Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a test channel Discord. So first, to be able to create a test channel in Discord, you must have create a server on Discord. I can right here, this is my server, which is my server. I'm just gonna click on it. So under my server I can create a test channel or test channel. So just gonna put a test channel. So this is test channel. So I'll click on this plus icon right in front of the test channel to create a channel, or you can just quickly click on the drop down button right in front of the server's name, which is normal server. So I'm just gonna drop down. So right here I can create a channel. Just click on it so I can click in between the options. I'm just going to the test. Since this test is what I want to create, so I'm also going to put the channel's name, which is programming. Okay, so I don't want to make it go private. We want it private. Simple. Just go on the button. You don't want to make it private. Sign out this channel. That is it. You can see right here. Welcome to programming, and this is the test channel. The test channel right here, you have features can do. You can test reasons, you can test pictures, give images, and all that compared to voice channel. And that's it. Find this video if you like information. Thank you.